And right now, let's bring in our meteorologist, Eric Tallman, in once again. He's standing by, and I think he wanted to tell the viewers something so they know what's going on because they're probably wondering, okay, what's the weather situation, Eric? Well, we were just on the air, and now we're starting to get alerts coming into us. I'll have to check. It's probably tweets coming in on the weather situation, so I will update you on that, and I will reapply. So Twitter has been very busy this evening. We've been tweeting all evening, so it's been one of those busy kind of evenings. You know what I mean? So we have to wait for the radar to update here. We have to give it a minute to do its thing. Okay, I have to wait 1 second here. It's still it's still loading. I'm sorry. We have to give it 1 second. Okay, and then we can zoom in and show you exactly what's going on here. It's going to take a couple of moments here because there's so much that it has to load to get things going here. Okay, thank you so much for joining us once again. My name is meteorologist Eric Tallman, and I have been monitoring these storms ever since we heard that we were going to get these storms come on through southeast lower Michigan. Even though it's winter time, Michigan weather can do anything, and it is actually happening. So let's talk weather. Anyway, we have showers and thunderstorms that are developing across southeast lower Michigan. We have showers and thunderstorms that are moving through the Lansing area right now, and we have a cluster of showers and storms that are coming together as well. We have one line that I'm going to show you where that line is. Give me 1 second. I have to wait for it to stop. We have one line that is moving towards the northeast, and then we have another line of showers and thunderstorms right there. That's the cluster that we're watching very closely now. It looks like that cluster of storms is something potentially we're going to have to watch here. So we're going to zoom in so you can see where it's coming from. So this line of storms have increased within the last couple of minutes. You can see it's a big cluster of storms that are building up. So they're over in the Battle Creek area right now. So just be on guard here because it looks like Jackson, you might be getting these. I'm going to ask the, thank you very much for doing that. Camera number 2 back there. Thank you for zooming in on that. Okay, we gotta wait a second. This thing continues to update. So we're going to tell you this is the line of showers and storms that we were just telling you about. We're just waiting for the computer to, oh man, we keep losing it. There we go. Give us 1 minute. We gotta update the computer and we'll be right back and we'll see what's going on. A lot of action this evening. We'll be right back. And thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman once again, and the radar has finally updated, and I had to wait 15 minutes for it to update. So this is the situation that we have going on. You can see that we have numerous showers and thunderstorms developing. You can see they are just racing along the state of southeast lower Michigan. You can see it shouldn't be too much longer. I would say about an hour or so. I'm going to say at any time we're going to be seeing this stuff move on through southeast lower Michigan, and everybody is going to get hit with some type of severe weather. You know, this is just some very, very active weather that we have not seen in quite some time. But we are going to talk about this right now. You can see that showers and thunderstorms are moving in. They're not anywhere near the Ann Arbor area currently right now, but they are going to be moving in your direction. So just be aware of that. In Flint, Michigan, you have another round of showers and storms moving your way. So it's going to be moving through, if you live in the Flint area, in Lapeer County, just be aware you have storms that are going to be moving in. So I'm going to say at any given time, as a matter of fact, just about everybody should be seeing something soon, but you can see that everything is beginning to come together. Like we had said before earlier in the show, the storms are intensifying. We just don't see any warnings as of right now. But if we are under any kind of warnings, we'll let you know. Prone to what's going on with that, but it is very interesting. So, Ann Arbor, you need to be on the lookout because you'll have these storms coming headed in your direction. Detroit, you need to be on the lookout, and people that are north of Detroit, just be on the lookout for the showers and storms because things are starting to get more active because we had told you earlier in the show that after sunset, the showers and thunderstorms would be more active, more intense. So we're just watching this closely and letting you know because this radar goes all the way up to 8:30. So that's where we stand right now, and the time right now is 8:40. So we're going to see if it gets even more interesting at 9 o'clock. So kind of stay with us, and we'll keep you posted. And that severe thunderstorm watch continues for all of us in southeast Michigan until 10 p.m. Stay tuned for the very latest. I'll keep you posted on the track of these strong to I'll keep you posted on the lookout and the potential for strong to severe storms. The other thing I want to also let you know that the impacts could also involve damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour. That can bring down trees, power lines, roofs and sidings, etc. And I'm also concerned about the possibility of tornadoes as well, but that is at low risk right now. We're at 5% for tornado probability, so that's not really going to be a concern, but that still cannot be ruled out. Damaging wind threat is more of a concern, and I think that's going to be the main player here, I think, just about, but we'll kind of watch that as we go along. So I'll have another update coming up within the next 15-20 minutes on the severe weather. The severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for all of southeast lower Michigan until 10 p.m. Stay tuned, stay advised, and we'll keep you up to date and up to speed with the very latest as the storms continue to intensify. Stay tuned, we'll let you know if any warnings come through the metro area.